Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel.
Yeah, I like the entry there, and then I see a lot of people starting to do this now.
What?
Take this off where there's no wall. Was there a wall here before?
No, I'm in the wall here. Oh, what's the wall there?
The original was a wall.
Okay. Yeah, I'm starting to see a lot of people do that now. Open it up a little bit more.
Yeah, because, look, you got the foyer,
Right.
got your living room, dining room, your kitchen can be as big as you want.
Right, right.
You can do it any kind of way you want. Now remember, this is two master rooms in there. I'm gonna take you to one of them now.
Okay.
And there's two bedrooms in here.
Now y'all know curb appeal is everything, so are you gonna lay the front out with a nice pretty
Oh
door?
yeah,
Okay.
Look, I gotta do that.
Okay.
So this is the first room.
Okay.
Got a big closet in there.
I'm not getting you on video, just your
No,
bottom.
you're all right.
You good? Okay, just your lower part because I'm trying to put it down when I'm going through. But
Let's go now. Look, I ain't ready.
okay.
Oh, we're still working in here. We're gonna do the electric.
Okay.
We're waiting on our electric guy to get here to finish up.
Okay.
So that's all the bathrooms, three finished bathrooms in here.
Gotcha.
Tub, shower, sink, and all three of them. This is another bedroom.
Okay.
So
How many bedrooms?
it's four altogether.
Okay.
Now you enter into a master room.
Okay.
Here's her closets.
Oh goodness. And you got a door for a patio to go outside.
But you know, here's her closet. You know it's gonna be both
Hers.
her
It's
closets.
gonna be hers.
We took stuff in the bag, you know. But look, we're finishing up. This is how it's gonna really look when you get it all put together.
Okay.
You know.
You popcorn this city?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. But look, when we got
And
before
the
that
recess
all
light.
in, wasn't nothing in this house. All the walls out. What color? What ain't even a stick in here?
Wow.
I got the pictures of it.
Oh, that's
So-
good to, yeah.
So all the electric and plumbing is brand new.
Okay, gotcha.
There's nothing in here that is old or vintage.
Okay.
So
So this is the master bedroom.
come on back up out of the porch. They can do whatever they want to do. Don't come out here. But you
Right.
got your you got access to come out from your bedroom.
That's very nice. A lot of people like that when you got access to several doors. Yes.
Look, I ain't seen nothing yet. This is at the beginning.
We ain't seen nothing yet. Okay. You got two closets for the master bedroom
Oh no, you stay
as well. Nice neutral colors throughout.
Like the color?
Yeah.
Color.
And this is a line, just an extra closet. Okay.
Yeah, now this is two different separate closets.
Oh wow. Okay.
See, that's a closet over here for your linen. You might want to put some toiletries over here for the
Right.
bag.
Right.
Keep
Okay.
the house together, you know?
Exactly.
Hey, look, when we get done, when they get, whoever gets this house, the only thing they need to do is cut the grass. I'm just gonna throw it out there.
That's a good thing. Just cut the grass, huh?
Cut the grass. Now, I'm gonna take you downstairs,
Okay.
put a light on the step.
And where are you putting on your carpet? On the
Yeah,
step?
we can put carpet on there.
Oh, okay. I thought it was
But I
carpet.
wouldn't put it on there.
Uh-huh.
I keep it because that's finished wood.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
So I'm gonna stain some of this to make it way out. But this is everything in this house is electric. There's no, that's a 200 amp box.
I see.
There's no gas on this furnace.
Okay.
No gas.
No gas, we took it out.
Wow.
Look, just
It's all concrete.
all concrete.
Okay. You painted it. Yeah. Okay.
Look good, you like that?
It does. It's very nice. I love the floor too. You speckled it.
Yeah.
The little speckles.
Sprinkle it down.
Looks nice. No carpet, just speckled it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's painted, it's sprinkled.
Okay.
That's popular too.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't, for allergy reasons.
Yeah.
I know I have allergies. Our kids do too. So A lot of people like that. And
Well,
it look
we wanted something solid, where if the people move in, or whoever gets the house, they ain't got to worry about a lot of carpet being in there.
good.
You know
Right.
what I mean?
And I see you got back there, so that's
We got it in here because it's another bedroom. It's a
exactly.
bathroom.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, see, look, I got it going now.
Uh-huh.
So,
Another bathroom. It's kind of dark and everything's in
let
there.
me show you how big this baby is.
Oh,
I
dang.
just said it's like
This is the master room.
This is a
Hey,
huge
man,
house.
look,
Look at-
That's a home theater room right
Look,
This
what
is.
they call it, the man cave.
there. This is definitely the man
Because
cave.
you know your wife, you know, they say that.
Yeah, well,
Oh, do you? Hey, man,
yeah,
look,
he has his man
I do.
cave. But this is huge,
I
sure.
need to move in with you. You know why? My wife won't give me, but she want that she shed.
Oh, yeah, we got to have our she shed. Yes. And this a closet?
This is his, her closet.
Oh, wow. So you know what? Somebody that's an empty nester, or has kids, they can put their bedroom down here.
Right.
And let the kids have upstairs. And,
Do it look totally different from when you left?
oh, my God. Well, that's really good to know because they testify for your work.
Oh, yeah, I know it. Look, it's good.
Okay.
You laid the carpet too? or
I
not?
didn't lay the carpet,
Okay, okay.
but I picked it out.
I got you.
Good, Jill.
I got you.
Look, I had to have my hand in it. But it looks good.
It looks real good.
That's
So
a
you have
good,
no leaks in here,
no leaks.
so you don't have to worry about mildew or mold growing.
I don't smell anything, even though I have my mask on, I don't smell anything.
Well,
So
only
that's
thing you gotta do is live in it.
living, okay.
Cut the grass.
Cut the grass.
You know, they say black people don't like to cut their grass. That's right.
Uh-huh. I don't know about that.
No, I'm tell you. When you go to some of these black areas, go look at their grass.
That's true.
But I'm gonna tell you this. These people over here, they manicure their whole line.
Okay.
Cause these are homeowners over here.
Right.
And they ain't dealing with the renters.
Right, right.
So you come over here with that gang stuff,
No.
they call the police.
This is definitely adequate for a family down here. If it's not even a bedroom, it could be a family room.
That's right. This is another 4-bath. Gonna put the light up. Oh, no light going here.
Okay.
But this will show you because we got the light there.
You got all new surround for tub and stuff.
Yeah, all the water is in. All the
Red
water.
baseboard on the
Red baseboard.
concrete. I like that.
Mr. Jeff, you did a great job.
Like that, huh?
I'm impressed. Yes.
So we got the vent for that. So we now this here is just a
Wow, this is a big
this is
basement.
laundry room here. Got a setup on so your house won't flood.
I like the new PVC too, because that'd be an issue sometime in
Yeah,
older
check this
homes.
out. I gotta put me another boot on here. So I'll straighten that out.
Okay.
So I don't wear that. But there's no copper in this house. This is PEX. This is better than plastic.
It's what?
It's better than PVC.
What's the name of it?
PEX.
Okay, I have not heard that one.
Let me show you the real deal on it.
Pex.
It's called PEX.
Never heard that one. Normally we see copper and PVC.
This is where your lines go.
Okay.
I got lines going to every room, every bedroom.
Oh wow.
See this is your main hookup here.
Uh-huh.
So instead of, you ain't gonna have no busted lines, period. That's why you put PEX on it.
Interesting.
You don't run copper no more because they
Steal it, yeah. I have a lot of clients that end up, especially if it's vacant.
Right. $10. Look, check this out. They'll steal all the copper and go get $10, and then they end up $3,000 worth of damage.
Exactly.
So
It's
PEX,
called PEX.
PEX.
P-E-P-E-X,
PEX.
okay.
PEX. So however,
Wow.
we'll continue on with this program.
Oh, you got a sliding door here, okay.
That's a sliding door. It's just not bolted down. We do have a bolt for it, so we're gonna bolt it down. Then you'll be able to close this when you have your company.
I like that it slides.
Yeah. You don't want anybody peeking in on you.
Right.
You might want to do your laundry or something.
Uh-huh.
But
And this actually could be an office over here.
it could be because really what you can do, you really want to know something?
What?
You can block, you can build
Right.
a
I
wall
was gonna say
with-
that. Yeah.
with a door.
Yep.
That whole area is your office. It's your, come on.
Yeah, you got room to play.
You got
Yeah.
room. Yeah, you got a lot of room.
And you got the sump pump thing over there too.
That's right. I want to show you this. This is a new heating system,
I
all
could
through the
tell.
house.
I could tell.
All the duct work, everything is new. Hot water tank, electric. This will get this whole house running, even if you wash it.
Even if you wash it.
Even if you wash it, you still have hot water.
Whoa. Okay.
So,
You
look.
did some work, man.
You did, Mr. Jeff. Okay, I'm impressed. Okay.
Well, you know, I don't want to show you, but when I talked to Charles like, man, Jeff, just call me when it's totally done.
Right.
I said, well,
He know how we roll. Though, so.
yeah. So when I say, man, well, the owner is here. Let me call.
Right.
You know, so I can at least get y'all face to face, and y'all be able to communicate. You know,
Well, we
so-
dropped everything to come on.
Yeah, I did too, because I was up there trying to get some material, so I can go ahead and get done.
Where you got headed back?
Huh? Oh,
Well, depends on this here. Okay.
Okay.
yeah. So they want it totally done before they leave. So that's
Right.
I'm gonna make sure of that.
Okay.
So
Well, you've made some progress. I love what you did with the floor.
yeah, everything you see gonna be cleaned up, and when you see it clean, you'll know. You'll know then. You'll be like, okay.
So you just gonna stain these or leave them as they are?
What?
The steps.
The
It's not
steps
like
are
you
already
just-
stained. See, you look down at it.
Right.
See,
So I see it. Yeah.
So they just need to be clean. So
Okay.
the whole unit will be mopped out, cleaned up. There won't be no dust on anything.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me show you the garage before you leave, though.
Okay.
Let me open the door. Now, there's a little bit of material in here.
It's a garage. Nice deep car.
This is the 2-car garage. All this stuff is gonna be out of here. And we debating how we're gonna do this. And we might just go ahead up with some drywall and paint it out.
Okay.
Leave it open.
That's our thought, man, because a lot of people like to hang
Just
stuff.
paint this.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll do that.
It depends on what
I mean,
your
it's
budget
a-
is.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, but you know, we want to set out a good product.
Right.
Right.
The more done, the more money you get.
Right, so we're gonna make sure we get a good product on our end.
Right.
But it is a 2-car garage, looks good, when once it's cleaned up, you're gonna be like, okay.
And you'll get a new opener too?
Possibility, we were debating about that, we're not sure.
Okay.
But, you know, depending on who gets it, they say, well, okay.
Because you open it up with your hand now.
Yeah, over there, I was able to slide it up with my
Okay.
hand. But you know, depending on who gets it,
Right.
you know.
That's very nice.
You like that, man?
Great work.
Yeah,
I
you.
ain't even gonna take a bow on that. Yeah, you know.
All right, Mr. Jeff. Sure.
It's a movable item. So it's not like that. You can move it any way you want to.
I love the openness of it.
You can move it any way you want to. You guys don't have a party. Go that way. Keep everybody out from that way, you know.
Wow, now that's different.
Then you move that item any way you want.
You gonna put some wheels on it?
I could if you want.
Yeah, that seems like that'll be for people to move it instead of like that. Well, yeah, I agree, but it just depends on what you're doing in here because it's a nice entertaining space. And you got a nice new deck out here. Oh, the yard is good. And it's all new siding on it. All new siding too, right?
All new signs.
You could tell.
New roof,
New roof, new gutters, new windows.
new windows.
You could definitely, everything new.
Only thing is old.
Age is nothing but a number. That's what I keep telling myself, turning 51. Be 51 in a couple of weeks. Yes.
Okay. Walk out, enjoy yourself.
Right.
Do a little barbecue out here.
Okay, well, I'm glad because I'm like, this is,
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Like that? Pretty good, man.
yeah, you've done a great job.
Bright colors too.
Yeah, didn't it come out?
Real good.
I'm gonna stain that other one deck like this though.
Okay.
I just gotta let it dry and we just put it up.
And you do the door frames and all that?
Yep.
Okay.
Nice little yard.
It is
Remember
a
I
nice
told y'all
yard.
we had to dig up this backyard
Uh-huh.
and put the electric poles over there. We had to dig this whole section like twice. because the wrong line was in there. They wouldn't. We had these 2-inch pipes
Nice
in there.
stained deck.
They wouldn't allow that, so we had to go to a 3, which is a bigger.
Family
pipe, so
community.
we could get through.
Did you see this?
They passed it.
Okay, good. Okay.
They passed. That's why the electric on.
Okay.
They passed it. St. Louis County passed it.
Okay.
So we was cool with that.
Okay.
I was cool.